There are a million barbecue sauce recipes, and I'm sure you have your favorite. I sure do, but does it come from the Fallout Cookbook? Well, I'm not going to tell you yet, it's the intro, but let's make this and find out. For this, you're going to need some hot sauce, Lola's is my favorite, Worcestershire sauce, steak sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, ketchup, and Nuka-Cola soda. You'll combine this in a pot and heat it up until it has that nice barbecue sauce consistency. Now, while I put this together, let me take a quick moment to share with you what I have to listen to while I cook all of this stuff. He is easily the most vocal cat that I have ever been around, and prior to deciding to just voice these videos over after I record them, he was also the single biggest stressor to recording them. Navigating the few silences to try and say what I needed to say for the video drove me up a wall. But at least he's quiet while I edit, I guess. Anyway, like I said, you'll get this heated to the right consistency, and then you're done. Once it's cooled, we can store it in a jar and prepare to use it in next week's video. But first, the sauce on its own. To me, all this tastes like is a spicy steak sauce. There's not much Nuka-Cola flavor to it, really at all. I do have a way I think in the future I'm going to improve on this, and I'll make a video on that. But for now, for this recipe, this video, I'll just give it a 6 out of 10. If you want to try this for yourself, be sure to check out the full recipe from the Fallout Cookbook. And you can find a link to that in the products section of this video, if you'd like to give me a small commission, or you can find the non-affiliate link in the description. Be sure to subscribe, or come back next week as we try this barbecue sauce on some Brahmin burgers.